So in this video, we are going to learn how to auto-reply to YouTube comments using AI agent. Now in this video, we are going to build an AI agent which will help you boost your user engagement on the YouTube channel. Now in this AI agent, whenever we are going to receive a new comment on your YouTube channel, automatically this AI agent will capture the new comment and send it to AI platforms like OpenAI, ChatGPT, Claude or Perplexity. And using these platforms, you can generate a reply for the same comment which you have received. After generating the reply, we are going to post the same reply back on the same comment using the same AI agent. So this AI agent is going to completely automate the process of generating the AI replies for your comment and posting it back. Now, if you want to learn how you can build this AI agent all by yourself, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my YouTube channel. And on my YouTube channel, regularly, I keep on getting some new comments from the viewers. Now to reply these comments, we are going to build an AI agent. We are going to connect our YouTube account with that AI agent, and that AI agent will take the new comments which we are receiving on our YouTube channel to OpenAI or to any other AI platform of your choice like Claude or Perplexity. And after that, using these AI platforms, we are going to generate a personalized reply for the comment which we have received. And then this AI agent is going to post the reply back on the same comment as well, that too automatically. So let's see how you can build this. Now to build this AI agent, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. And to get started with Pabbly Connect, you will get a free sign up link in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After creating the account and coming to this dashboard, we have to create an workflow over here. So just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as AI agent for YouTube comments. You can give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this workflow and click on create. As we click on create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with the trigger step. Now the idea here is first we are going to connect our YouTube channel, our YouTube account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step so that whenever a new comment is received on our YouTube channel, the same comment will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this AI agent will trigger. It will start working. Then after that, using this AI agent, using this workflow, we are going to send the same comment to ChatGPT, to OpenAI or to your AI platform using which we are going to generate a reply for the comment. And at last, we are going to post the same reply back on the comment on our YouTube channel to that user's comment. So let's see how you can build it. Here in our trigger step in choose app, search for YouTube. Just select it. After selecting YouTube, in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new comment on channel. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our YouTube account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with YouTube button. Then after that, here in this pop-up window, select your YouTube account, YouTube channel. Then after that, just scroll down and click on continue. And as you click on continue, we will see our YouTube account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the channel. Now, it is most likely possible that in your own YouTube account, you might have created multiple YouTube channels. So in this dropdown, you will get a list of all the channels which you have in your YouTube account. And out of all of them, from which particular channel you want to capture the new comments and create this AI agent for. Right now, in my YouTube account, I have only one channel named as demo channel. So I'm going to select this particular channel and I want to capture the comments from this channel. Then it is asking us max result, that in one go, what is the maximum number of comments we want this automation or this AI agent to capture. So I want to capture only one comment at a time, so I'm selecting max result as 1. Then after that, when we'll click on this save and send test request, the details of the last comment, the most recent comment which we have received on our YouTube channel will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So let's click on this save and send test request button. And after that, here you can see we have received a response. And in this response, you can see the details of the last comment. The last comment which I have received says beautiful scenic view of nature. And here you can see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in the trigger step, we have received the exact same comment. Then after that, we have the date and time, that what was the last time this comment was updated. Then we'll scroll down further. We have the video ID, that on which particular video we have received the comment. We'll scroll down further and here you can see we have rest of the details, like we have the username of the person who has posted the comment over here. We have the link of that user's channel. We'll scroll down further and here you can see the unique comment ID as well. We are going to use this comment ID later on in this workflow to reply to the comment. We'll scroll down further and here you can see rest of the details. So in this way, we have successfully completed the step 1 where we have successfully connected our YouTube channel with Pabbly Connect and captured the new comment. Now what we want to do, we want this AI agent to send this comment to AI platform like OpenAI and generate a reply for this comment. For that, we will scroll down, come to this Actions tab, and here in Choose app, we are going to search for OpenAI. Now, I'm using OpenAI as an AI platform to generate the replies, but instead of this, you can use any other AI platform of your choice. Then here in Action Event from the drop-down, let me select the action event as ChatGPT, click on Connect, and select Add New Connection. Now we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect, and to make this connection, we have to enter the API key, a token from our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. To get it, just log into your OpenAI account, just go to Dashboard, and from the dashboard in the left sidebar, select this option of API key. After coming to API key, let's click on this Create New Secret Key button and give this secret key a name. Let's say I'll name it as AI Agent for YouTube Comments. You can basically give any other name as per your choice for your reference. And after that, we have to select the project of our OpenAI account for which we are going to generate this API key and select the permission as all. And then just click on this Create Secret Key button. As we click on this Create Secret Key button, the API key is generated. Copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After pasting the API key, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see that our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is to select the AI model. So in this dropdown, you can see a list of multiple AI models using which we can basically generate the reply. You can basically select any model as per your choice. I'm going to select GPT-4o Mini as the model to generate the reply of the comment which we are receiving on YouTube. Then it is asking us for the prompt. So here in prompt, we have to enter a detailed prompt that what kind of replies we want to generate. In the prompt, we are going to mention the details of our YouTube channel, our background, some kind of backstory, that what the YouTube channel is, what kind of content we post. And then we are going to mention or share the comment which we have received in the prior step. So let me just enter a prompt over here. Okay, so here you can see I have added this prompt. The prompt says, I'm sharing a comment from my YouTube channel. Please write a formal reply to this comment. Only provide the reply itself without any additional text or formatting, as I will be posting it directly. So here I'm mentioning that I'm going to share the comment and asking it to write a reply. Now this is just a simple basic one-line prompt. But if you want, you can basically enter your business details or the background or the history of your YouTube channel, that what kind of YouTube channel you have, what kind of person you are, what kind of business you have, and what kind of videos you create. You can basically add a complete backstory, complete scenario. You can describe it over here in the prompt so that it can basically generate a reply more personalized and more detailed according to that for the comments. After entering the prompt of your choice, here we are going to see the name of the person who has posted the comment and the actual comment. Now we have received both of these details from YouTube in the trigger step. Now what we have to do, here from the trigger step responses of YouTube, we have to share the comment which we have received, and also we have to share the name of the person who has posted the comment. So here what we are going to do, we will just scroll down, click on this Actions tab, and here in Choose app, we'll just click here in front of name, and from the drop down, from YouTube responses, here you can see a list of all the responses. We are going to select this response of author display name. Then after that, here in front of comment, we are going to select the drop down, and from the drop down, we are going to select and map the response of the comment which we have received. So with this prompt, we are going to basically share the username of the person and the comment. And after entering the prompt and mapping all the details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now, as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received a response. And in this response, we have received a reply for the same comment. The reply says, thank you for your kind words, Akash. So we have the name of the person who has posted the comment included in the reply to make it more personalized. I'm glad that you enjoyed the scenic view. Nature truly has a unique beauty that inspires us all. So here you can see that this is the reply which is given by ChatGPT for our YouTube comment. So using this AI agent, we are going to send the comment to ChatGPT and generate a reply. Now let's move to the last part where we are going to post this same reply on the comment on our YouTube channel. For that, we will scroll down, click on this Add Actions tab button over here, and here in Choose App, we will search for YouTube. After selecting YouTube, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Reply to Comment. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our YouTube account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this Connect with YouTube button. Then after that, here in this pop-up window, select your YouTube account and then just scroll down and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, you will see our YouTube account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the reply text. That what is the text we want to post as a reply. And we have received reply text in this AI agent from OpenAI. So here from the OpenAI responses, we are going to add this response of the reply which is given by OpenAI by ChatGPT to this YouTube's Actions tab. Just click on this field of reply text and here in the drop down, you can see a list of all the responses from previous 2 steps. Out of all of this, from the responses of ChatGPT, select this response of message content and map it. Then it is asking us for the comment ID. So here we have to enter the unique ID of the comment for which we want to post this reply on. And we have received the comment ID from YouTube in the Triggers tab. So here in the Triggers tab responses, if we scroll down, you can see we have received this response of comment ID. And we have to map this same response of comment ID in this reply to comment action step of YouTube. And the process of mapping stays the same. Just click on this field of comment ID and from the drop down from YouTube responses, select this response of comment ID over here and then just map it. After mapping the comment ID and reply text, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received a response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the comment text which we have added over here, the reply text which we have added, the same reply is posted on this particular comment on our YouTube channel. So let's check it. We'll just go to our YouTube channel and refresh the comments page once. And yes, here you can see that just now, few seconds ago, a reply is posted for the same comment which we have received on our YouTube channel using this AI agent. Now, after successfully building this AI agent, we are going to test this AI agent once. For that, we will just go to our YouTube channel. Let's say I'll just open this video and I'm going to post a new comment over here from some other account. So let me just switch my account over here. I'll just switch my YouTube account to some other account, switch account. After switching the account, here I'm going to post a comment. Let's say I'm going to post a comment as, for example, very beautiful video. Just a simple comment saying very beautiful video. Let's post it. Now, as this comment is posted on our YouTube channel, we will see automatically within 10 minutes, the reply will be posted by this AI agent. And it basically takes 10 minutes of time because the connection between YouTube and Pabbly Connect trigger is a polling-based connection. And in this type of connection, this AI agent, this Pabbly Connect, will check for new comments on our YouTube account every 10 minutes. So we just have to wait for 10 minutes over here. Okay, so now we have successfully waited for more than 10 minutes. Now we'll just go back to our YouTube channel and refresh this comments page once. And yes, here you can see that few minutes ago, we have received this comment on our YouTube channel, very beautiful video. And automatically using this AI agent, we have generated a reply for the same comment and posted that reply as well. The reply says, "Thank you very much for your kind words. I'm glad you enjoyed the video. Your support means a lot." So this AI agent is working perfectly fine and we have tested this AI agent in real time. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same AI agent in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same AI agent into your own Pabbly Connect account. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you can try and test this AI agent for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.